Imagine yourself at work when suddenly a life-threatening allergic reaction strikes. In that pivotal moment, a realization dawns upon you. I can't be the only one and something must change. This wake-up call becomes the catalyst for a new trajectory, one that unexpectedly guides you towards launching your own business. Here are 3 fun facts about Starry Lane Bakery. Jaime, the owner, took it upon herself to open up one of the very first allergen-free bakeries. Back when there was very little talk about gluten-free, dairy-free, and the few options available were dry, dense, tasteless, Jaime seized the opportunity to perfect her craft in uncharted territory. The bakery was named after the street Jaime grew up on in the mountains of Pennsylvania, and some of the recipes that have been reworked come from Jaime's family, like the triple chocolate chunk, which her aunt used to bake. Every recipe used at Starry Lane was developed in-house, with each one being reworked from the ground up with no framework. While there are many allergen-free bakeries and restaurants out there, very few are willing to dedicate the entire facility to remaining free of any top allergen cross-contamination. The best part? They are located in one of the brightest neighborhoods in San Diego, Hillcrest. This bakery has evolved from one person's necessity into a beacon of hope for many who suffer from severe allergies. The heart of Starry Lane lies in the commitment to serving the allergen community with safe and delicious treats. So the next time you're craving something sweet, make sure to check out Starry Lane Bakery.